If you target the 60-plus age demographic using translated AI videos, the ad rates will actually get incredibly high. We are talking about up to $25 per 1,000 views on a single video. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a fully automated, ban-proof, faceless channel in the legal niche. If you follow this exact upload schedule, you can get it monetized in under 35 days across multiple languages. You only need 3 basic tools to execute this strategy. You will use a free AI chatbot for scripting, a free title generator, and a private AI video generator account. That video generator is the only tool that requires a monthly financial investment. When you take high-paying US-based legal topics and translate them into low-competition foreign languages, you bypass the saturation of the English market completely. You capture the premium ad rates without having to fight the crowd. Step 1 is setting up your channel's focus. Pick a specific US legal sub-niche, like banking regulations, liability, or airport security laws. Then, instead of making the videos in English, you are going to target an uncontested language like German or Spanish. This bar chart compares viewer age brackets against ad revenue percentages. You can see a sharp peak right here at the 60-plus mark. This older demographic is exactly who watches methodical legal breakdowns, and advertisers pay a massive premium to reach them. To figure out what content to make, search YouTube for an existing English video in your chosen legal sub-niche that is already getting views. You will use this successful video as your baseline reference. Taking these proven US legal concepts and porting them directly into a foreign language guarantees you are bringing tested content to an audience with almost zero direct creator competition. Now, if you just take that baseline script, translate it word for word, and hit publish, YouTube will hit you with an inauthentic content strike and demonetize the channel. You cannot copy and paste. This diagram shows a script breaking down into color-coded structural components. Feed that viral script into your AI chatbot. Instruct it to extract this structural DNA, the pacing, hook, and evidence. Once mapped, command it to write an original 20-minute script using that structure. Inside that prompt, include a strict rule for the AI. It must write a "I am not a lawyer" disclaimer into the audio track. You also need to paste this legal disclaimer into the description of every single video you generate. Using this master prompt to extract structure rather than raw text physically shields your entire channel against YouTube's duplicate content algorithms. It ensures your high-volume output remains entirely unique. Step 3 is creating the face of your channel. Log into a paid private AI video generator account like HeyGen and upload a clear, front-facing selfie of yourself to generate your custom avatar. This side-by-side comparison shows the risk of using someone else's face. If you generate a recognizable celebrity, YouTube's system will eventually flag the channel for impersonation and issue a ban. When YouTube eventually pauses your monetization to verify your channel, they use a manual appeal process. They will ask you to record a quick webcam video verifying you are the creator. If your real face does not physically match your AI avatar, you cannot restore your monetization. You also need to avoid buying cheaper shared AI generator accounts. If you share a workspace to save a few dollars, the other users can see your avatar, read your translated scripts, and steal your exact niche to compete against you. For the audio track, prompt the AI to generate an authoritative, stable voice design. You want the tone of a methodical instructor, explaining legal concepts, keeping the older audience engaged without rushing the delivery. Paying for a private account and using your actual selfie removes the risk of niche theft and impersonation flags. It is the only mathematically safe way to protect your channel from permanent deletion. With your script, avatar, and voice locked in, paste your 20-minute text into the tool and initiate the video render. This 24-hour clock maps your exact upload schedule. Upload 3 to 5 videos daily, spaced strictly 3 hours apart. This schedule builds a massive grid of content. The algorithm needs 40 to 50 videos before it understands your audience and heavily recommends your channel. Uploading this much content quickly might sound like spam, but because you are using that master prompt framework, the text, topics, and delivery of every single video are distinctly unique. Rapid, aggressive upload volume is the heavy mechanical lever that forces the YouTube algorithm to instantly categorize your channel. It removes luck from the equation and pushes the channel to monetization in 17 to 35 days. This spinning gold coin multiplying across the frame represents the final asset you have just built. You now possess a premium 20-minute multi-language video that is fully insulated from copyright claims and policy strikes. The very last step is to run your topic through a title and thumbnail generation tool. You need to package this high-quality video with a clear, clickable visual so that your older target audience actually clicks to watch. Reaching that $25 RPM requires volume and execution. You have the exact roadmap, all the necessary tools, and the upload schedule. Go set up your workspace and queue up your first